In this video, we're gonna make a gameplay. Stay tuned. First, we start by taking our obstacle inside our project window, and then we can move it inside our scene window. We are here making a prefab so we can control it or modify it using one object, and it's applying for all the objects. As you can see right now, if we change the scale from 2 to 6, it will change for all of the obstacles inside our game because we made it as a prefab. And if we want to test the game, we can maximize our game window by right click and pressing on maximize. We hit play and we test the game. We can see right now there is a little bit of obstacles. It's not that much fun, so we can work on it more. And for minimizing the game, we can use left click on the game scene or the game window icon, or we can press shift and space. Then we click on our player, changing the speed, so testing out different speed using the new obstacles we made, so we can make the game a little bit more fun. And the ground is not enough, so we change the ground to 150 maybe. You can test out by making it how long as you want, as long as you like it, and the important thing is having fun. And right here, as you can see right now on the scene view, we can change our view using these shapes, using the x-axis, y-axis, or the z-axis, and the cube in the middle is for changing our perspective of viewing. So basically it's changing the view from the 2D to 3D. And right here up above, if you want to change the things that you can see, the grid, or maybe the skybox, fog, etc. As you can see, if you want to see it on the scene window or not, you can check it or uncheck it. So right now we have to adjust our obstacles so we can be on our preference of the gameplay or how we like it basically. So after changing that, you can use whatever you like. So you can put whatever you like, however you like. It's depending on your choice and the way you can have more fun with it. And of course, after putting them, you have to test it out and see what's best for you. So after test it out and find our best thing for you, open our player script by double click on it, and right here we have to make our sideways speed more interactive. And right now it's depending on the time to slow down from one side to begin moving to other side if you press D or A. And for that we can use our function or the Unity function that called force mode velocity force mode dot velocity change, and don't forget to add it for the second one. As you can see for the video, we added for the D, and now we have to add it for the A button. So by clicking force mode dot velocity change and click Control Save to save it, and don't forget to subscribe by the way. Click the like button if you like the video so far. Carry on, wait for the Unity to processing, and changing our sideways speed, lower it down because it will be more or much effective in this way. So we hit 100 as a test, and now we go and click play. And as you can see in the video, it's very much responsive, so you can test it out and adjust the speed how much you like. And then we go to the rigid body and we freeze the rotation so our camera doesn't move. I forgot this in the earlier video. It's okay. And we can here adjust the drag if you want, or if you don't want, if you like the game as it is, you can test it out and play it, and if you like it, leave the drag on 0. The drag is meaning by the air resistance of the object. So if you want a little bit more air resistance, if you liked it, test it out. That's basically the base of this series. You have to test everything and learn about it. And right now we go to window, rendering, and we go to light setting because we need to add a little bit of fog without game so the player can see the objects and the obstacles before it interact with. So we're gonna give it the gameplay feeling. So go down inside our lightning, check the fog, and you can right here change any color if you want. If you press on color, any color if you want, as you like. So basically I want to make it the same as our skybox. So if we hit this little pen, go on our skybox, click it, and voila. And right here the density is, you have to test your density or preferred density for the fog, and test it for the one you prefer. So right now I'm testing on 0.02 and it's a little bit more foggy. So we go back, change the density. So every time you're making a game, you have to test out and change, making these changes until you find the one you like. That's the basically every experiment and every game that you make, and you have to enjoy every experience about it until you find the one that you preferred or the one you like. Change it out, test it, set your game, maybe play around with other obstacles. And will be the end of this video. I want to just say thanks for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and one big thing, don't forget to control S to save your seed. It's very important or everything will be lost. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.